America is considered to be a superpower. It has abundant wealth and technology, and it is highly developed in many aspects. Similarly, China is developed in numerous aspects. Italy, India, Saudi Arabia, and many others are specialized in various fields. But today, they all are almost unable to save themselves from a barrier. Just a few days ago, the roads were full of luxurious vehicles all day long. The sky was full of aircrafts owned by multi-billionaire airline companies. However, a barrier disrupted the complete scenario. This barrier is not a massive nuclear war. It is just a tiny virus invisible to the unaided eye, that is the novel coronavirus or the SARS-CoV-2. The disease COVID-19 caused by this virus has led to chaos all around the world. As per 13th May 2020, more than 4.29 million people have been confirmed positive for COVID-19. More than 293,000 people have lost their lives because of the pandemic. The countries all around the world are struggling to get rid of the widespread pandemic. Continuous efforts are being taken to produce vaccines for the disease. However, this is just a tiny virus which obeys the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Many consider it as a biological weapon of a so-and-so country, which the country uses for its certain objectives. However, each and every living and non-living thing in the entire universe is in the control of Allah, the Lord of the universe. Similarly, this virus is completely in control of Allah. He says in the Holy Quran,
إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
Today, people are afraid of being affected by the COVID-19. Today's scenario can be considered as a reminder from Rabbul Alameen to all mankind, a reminder of the day of resurrection, when we can't even assure our security from the tiny example of the might of the Lord of the universe. How can we imagine to escape from the glooms of the day, about which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says,
لمن الملك اليوم لله الواحد القهار.
Allah describes the helpless condition of mankind by the following ayah.
يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث.
Dear brothers and sisters, we need to deeply ponder upon that. Today, we all need to take the necessary preventive measures to save ourselves from the widespread pandemic. As well as, we need to be more responsible towards Akhirah. Instead of criticizing each other, we need to be united and responsible towards Akhirah too. It is important to make dua for our brothers and sisters all around the world, rather than indulging in social or communal conflicts. Moreover, we need to understand our role in the society and avoid letting ourselves and our families suffer. All of us need to cooperate with the medical teams, as we are accountable of our lives too. May Allah have mercy upon us and protect us from the disease. May Allah have mercy on those who have passed away and give patience to their families. May Allah cure all who are affected by the pandemic. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen.